Hello, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to download SQL Server and SSMS, that means SQL Server Management Studio, which is the UI version to handle the database. Okay, so to download it you have to search SQL Server, and then you can see this is the official website of Microsoft. You just click over here and you will be able to see lots of options to download. Okay, so as you can see, there is the SQL Server on Azure, SQL Server at Edge, SQL on premises versions, but we will use the free version to use it in our desktop. Okay, so as you can see, there is two different options is there, developer option and the express option is there. So this one, SQL Server download, is full featured pre-edition licensed for use as a development or test database in a non-production environment, and this one is for production environment, or you can use it in the desktop web and small web server. So we will use this express version. Okay, so you have to click it. So once you will click over here, one file will be downloaded like this one, SQL Server SSEL expr. So we already downloaded and pasted in our installation folder. As you can see, this is the file. Okay, now you have to open it. To open it, just right click and open it and give permission yes, and it will take some time and it will show you this particular UI. As you can see, that installation type can be basic, custom, the medium, downloaded media. So you can use any of them. You can pause the video and you can see what is the difference with all these three, but I'll use here the basic version. So for that I have to click on basic and then I'll accept it, and from here it is asking why do you want to install it. So by default I'll keep the same path in C drive, and the minimum free space required in your C drive, that is 6604 MB, and the downloadable size will be 278 MB. Okay, now to install you have to click install, and it will download all the packages in your local machine, that means in your installable folder. Now it will take some time to install. Okay, so as you can see, all the necessary packages are downloaded, and you can see the message download successful. And now the packages will be installed, and it is installing those packages now. So as you can see, our installation process completed. Now you can connect it now. So there is a different types of options are there. Instance name is there, SQL administrator is there, feature install is there, version is there. Okay, and you can see all the paths related to that, and this one is nothing but the connection string. By this connection string, if you want to connect it with the other application, then you can use it. This one is the install log folder. Here you will get all your log files. If you will get any kind of error, then also you will get in this folder, as well as this is the installation media folder. If you will install any media, then it will use this particular path, and this one is nothing but installation resource folder. And you can also connect now. If you click here, so it will show you the message that it is connected successfully. You can see Microsoft SQL Server version is there, and you can see one row affected. It means it installed successfully. Okay, and now to see the UI version of itself, if you want to handle all the databases through the UI, then you have to install the SSMS version. Okay, so it is an integrated environment for accessing, configuring, managing, administrating and developing all the components of the SQL Server. So I need to install this one as well to show you the example in our tutorial. Okay, so let me click on the install, and it will show you this particular blog which is present in the learn.microsoft.com, and from here you can install it, you can download it. Okay, so let me click, and as you can see over here, its size is almost 473 MB, so it will take few minutes to download based on your internet speed. And then after the download, I'll show you how you can install it. Okay, as you can see that our SSMS 20.2 version downloaded successfully. Now I'll cut this file in my installation folder. So as you can see, this one is the file. Now I'll open it to install. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just click install. So it will ask for the permission, you have to click yes, and then please wait for few minutes. It will unpack all the packages and it will install automatically. And from the above you can see this is the release 20.2. so probably you should install always a recent version. So because in recent versions you will get in the recent version you will get the recent features of the SSMS. So that's why you need to install always a recent release. Now as you can see that my installation completed successfully. Now I'll close it, and from the search section you can search for SSMS and you can open it. Okay, so this window also you can close. So as you can see this was the UI, and initially you will not get any kind of server, so you have to browse it, and from the database engine you have to select this one, and then you will be able to connect it. Okay, so once you will connect it, just click on yes, and from the database section you have to create a database. Okay, select this database. Is as you can see there is no database, so to create a new database, just click on the new query and just make it a little bit bigger, 200%, and just type one command, create database, and your database name, and then select it and execute it. So command will be executed successfully, and if you refresh here you can see your database created successfully. So thanks for watching this video. The purpose of this video was to show you how to install SQL Server and SSMS. Now what we'll do, we'll move so from the next video we'll go further in our tutorial series. So thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one.